Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to the Real Talk podcast, where we will have chill conversations about life and talk about relatable life experiences, share tips, wisdom, and truth. The truth. Hoping that this would be a great reminder and shift as we walk through this life. Enjoy this podcast episode as much as we did while recording them.
Worth it ba mag-rate?
Oo, sobra.
Right.
Kasi, kapag the more na naghintay ka, the more na mas maganda yung ibibigay sa'yo ng Lord.
Yeah.
Kasi for example, kapag hindi ka kasi naghintay, para ka lang nag-take ng shortcut.
Oh, wow. So
yung
good.
shortcut
That's
na
so good.
parang supposedly kailangan mo tong pagdaanan para makuha mo yung the best na ibibigay sa'yo ng Lord. Kaya lang nag-shortcut ka. So, yun lang yung nakuha mo. Parang instead na ganito kalaki yung makukuha mo sa dulo, gumanto na lang. Lumiit na lang kasi
Right.
nag-shortcut ka, nagmadali ka, at hindi parang the value ka din. Parang
Wow.
bumababa din yung worth minsan kasi parang kailangan ko na tong makuha kasi gusto ko. Pero ang tanong, yun na ba yung tamang panahon?
That's so good.
Yun na ba yung tamang season mo para ma-achieve mo yun?
Yeah.
Kasi yung paghihintay kasi it's a process. So, pag may inireveal sa'yo yung Lord na, okay, ma-achieve mo to sa ganitong span ng oras. Though hindi naman siya like, specifically nasasabihin ni Lord na, makukuha mo to in 2 years, in 3 months, in 2 months. Pero yung process kasi, sobrang sakto niya na, once na sakto na yung, kapag nadaanan mo na yung lahat ng proseso, na
Papaypayan talaga kita
yung lahat ng proseso ng paghihintay mo,
Oo.
after mo mapagdaanan yun, sobrang worth it kapag na-reach mo na yun eh. Kaya naalala ko yung si Jacob at si Rachel.
Okay.
Yung kwento sa Bible na may isang
Remind me. Go.
yung meron siyang girl na gusto,
Okay.
and then he waited for 7 years before niya pakasalan. It's just that ang naging tradition nung family or nung time na yun is kailangan magpakasal muna yung mas matanda.
Okay.
Tapos, so nag-wait siya ulit ng 7 years para mapakasalan niya yung babaeng gusto niya. So, he waited for 14 years para makuha niya yung binigay sa kanya ng Lord. So, pero hindi naman necessarily na kailangan natin mag-wait ng 14 years for that. Pero at saka hindi lang din kasi siya sa relationship.
So yun, ako din, I resonate with the word maghintay. Kasi nga, nandito ako sa Manila with you. And I've been planning to catch up with a lot of friends din. And grabe yung season ng maghintay na 2 years in the making na I'm not able to see friends. I was really introvert before. Pero yun, ever since I was saved, I just felt the need for a community. Not because it's my yung community saving grace ko, but because I know to my heart na I can't walk this life alone.
True.
Kasi again, we are not created alone.
True.
We are created with people who are also imperfect that we have to do life with. Kahit minsan sobrang conflicting ng mga nangyayari. Kasi we are created differently. So, yun, super hard for me to not be able to see my friends and not be able to process. But at the same time, it also put me in a box na going back to that introvert me. Oo. Pero yun, worth it maghintay, like what he said. Kasi, I was able to be in the hidden season with God in my own place in the province. To be able to process things with Him alone.
Yeah.
Kasi I know to myself that if hindi niya ako pinut doon sa maghintay season for 2 years and I was just with a community physically, because I'm still online, community physically, na I won't be able to process that much with Him.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? So, parang, ayun, like what he said, you resonated with a character in the Bible, which is Joshua and Rachel.
Yes.
For me, I feel like I'm John the Baptist. Wow, No, I mean, I resonate with the character of John the Baptist. Kasi di ba he was in the wilderness for how many years? And I feel in my heart that God just reminded me na if John wasn't in the wilderness for how many years, he won't be able to have godly encounters.
Totoo.
Diba? If he's with with a lot of people, he won't be able to just speak directly to God like that.
Yeah. Totoo.
So, yeah. That's how I resonated with Maghintay Season.